Last weekend there were so many flies. It was gross, bro. Like crazy. Where's this guy's? What's up, doggy? You see, Ryan, I did like I le puse su squid. You guys ready? Okay. So you guys got it easy because your guys' paddles will go right over the kelp, but I can't. I gotta zigzag. So just follow me. You guys like this? Okay. My board just got a blue. I think LAYLOW, you're kicked out of the blue club. Shut the hell up. No, you didn't. Woo! That's cool, bro. At least you got it.
Fish number 2. A little chunker.
Because you're looking pretty good, huh? Yeah. So I get it. Damn, this kid's killing it, man. Can't even fish myself. Found a little crab earlier today. Kind of started engaging the bite. So I'm gonna try to do this again.
Oh my god, it happens again.
Let me see. Oh yeah, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Yes, yes, bring it on this side. Oh, cab. No, no, no. My boy just got a cab.
Who got a cab?
My son.
Nice. Keeper? I thought you left.
Hey, bro, my kid's good luck. Hold on. I'm going to tell you if it's legal. Hold on.
Now we're already hitting the fucking the rocks. I have to kelp it. Where you at, Wade?
Right next to that big ass rock.
In the entrance.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you guys are fucking off right there. Wait, who's this? Is this Lupe?
Yes, sir.
Who caught the cabby, your boy or your friend?
My son caught the cat.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Come on, buddy. Just give me 15. That's all I need. 15. Just past the 15-inch mark.
Hell yeah.
You got lucky for people. You got so lucky. Check it out. My boy got a 15 and a quarter. Just past the 15-inch mark. Got my boy on some fish. Caught himself a 15 and a quarter cabby. It's very illegal, but still something. What do you think? Pretty good? Good day? Well, short day. Only 3 hours on the water, but it's something.
If you guys come in on the left side. It's way more clear than the right side for some.
What's up, you guys? So, pretty rough on the water. Just got 6-foot swells. Anything between 8 to 10 seconds, which is pretty rough. I kind of got sick. My boy handled himself like a champ. He was catching fish, but we only were able to bring in 3 rock. And then at the end, I decided to, say, hey, you know what? There's some fish right here. Let's go ahead and hit down. And he smacked it. He got himself a little Cabezon. So we decided to head it in. So we only got like maybe 3.5 hours of fishing, and then we called it quits because, like I said, the swells were just killer. The wind wasn't too bad. The wind was manageable, but decided, like I said, to call it in. Right when we got to shore, decided, hey, you know what? Let me start putting things away. And this guy came coming down the steps, and he says, hey man, he's any tips? And I go, yeah, actually, you know what? Let me give you a bucket of squid. Gave him the squid, and all of a sudden this shit happens. Nope, it's all you.
Man, we don't have a way. We don't really know what this dog can do with it. You got pliers?
I got it. So, yeah, man, got himself a Halley 30-inch off the shore in 2 foot of water with the squid I gave him. I'm just pretty stoked. What about you? Oh man, but yeah, I think our next adventure is going to be going for halibut. I think that was a calling right there. That was definitely a calling. You guys let me know down below if you think that's a calling. You guys have a good one. Take care. Anything you want to add? No. Take care, guys.